Hello, my dear student. Welcome to NAC Academy, Grade 6 Mathematics. We are meeting in the second part. I mean, the estimation and rounding of Unit 6. Now we are starting rounding off. Before that, if you don't subscribe our channel still, please subscribe our channel. And if you want to listen this video, if you want to watch this video in Tamil, please click the link in the description box. Let's start the lesson, the rounding off. Before that, the expressing the whole number as a multiple of 10 which is closest to it, it's called rounding off to the nearest multiple of 10. Did you understand? The expressing the whole number as a multiple of 10. What is multiple of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Adding by 10s. Okay, which is closest to it, it's called rounding off to the nearest multiple of 10. We'll see. In 38 students are to participate in a field trip. However, teacher in charge informed the principal that the number of students who will be participating in the field trip is about 40. Here 40, which is multiple of 10, that is closest to 38, has been given as approximate value of 38. You see, she didn't tell 38, she tell almost 40 students. So they round off the 30 to 40. This 40 is a multiple of 10. Okay, let's move to another example. You see, they have given some numbers and this is a number line 10, 20, 30. Okay, we have to round off these numbers and put according to this number line under these numbers. Okay, 11, you see 11, which is it close to 10 or 20? 11 is coming here, so it is very close to 10, so 11 will come under the 10. Then see this 12 is, this is 11 and this is 12, so 12 is very close to 10, so we have to take the 12 under 10. And see 14 is here. 11, 12, 13, 14, it's very close to 10, so the 14 is also coming under 10. Then let's see 15 is coming here. This is center part, so it is very close to 10, also 20. So which number we are going to take here? We have to take the next number, the highest value, next multiple of 10. So it's a middle, it is very close to 10 and the 20, but we are going to take 20. The 15 is coming under the 20. And 18, let's see the 18 here, 16, 17, 18, so it's close to 20. Let's see the answers. You see 11 is coming under 10, 12, 14 is coming under 10, and 15, 18, 22 and 24. 22 is here, 24 is here, so it's very close to 20. Then let's see 25 is coming here, the center part, in the center it's coming, so it's very close to 20, also to 30, it's coming between 20 and 30. So but here now we are going to take 30 because we have to take the next multiple of 10. Understand? And the 28 is coming here, so it's very close to 30, so 28 is coming under 30. We round off all these number to nearest value, which is our nearest multiple of 10. Okay, round off the following numbers to the nearest multiple of 10 and write them down. Okay, the first number is 78. You see the 78s here. I forgot to tell one thing. we have to check the first number. First number is from right side, the first number. This is ones place and this is tens place. So in ones place the number is less than 5. If it is less than 5, we have to take the nearest value before nearest value. And if it is more than 5 or otherwise 5 or more than 5, we have to take next nearest multiple of 10. So for example, this 78 is becoming between 70 and 80. But we have to look at this ones place. This is 8. This 8 is more than 5. So we have to take the next multiple of 10, that is 80. 70 and 80. You see the answer. The 78 is coming 70 and 80, but we have to take here 80 because this 8 is more than 5 or 5, otherwise more than 5. So we have to take the next multiple of 10. The next question is the 36. 36, you see the 6 is more than 5, so we have to go to the next multiple of 10. 30 and 40. So we have to take, we can't take 30 because it's more than 5. So we have to take 40. The next see, you tell me the 58 is coming between two 10 multiple of 10s. What are those multiple of 10s? 50 and 60. We should take 50 or 60 here. We have to check the ones value. You see this is C. This is 3. So this 3 is less than 5. So we have to take the before number, the less than, and the multiple of 15. 10 is 50 and 60. So we have to take 50 because this one's place is less than 10. Okay. Then 85. You see the 85 is 5. This is between number 5. 5 or more than 5, we have to take the next multiple of 10. So 80 and 90. So we have to take 90. Okay. Here you see 80. This 80 is coming between 70 and 80. Sorry, between 80 and 90. So you see the last digit, then one's digit is 0. This is less than 5. So we have to take the 80. And here 40. This 0 is less than 5. Here this is the 50. Less than 5. This is 90. This question. Then the last number is less than 5. So we have to take the same number. We have to take, because this 40 is coming between 40 and 50, so we can't go for 50. We are now we are taking 40 here, and here also we have to take 50, and this should be 90. So understand, my dear students. Let's move to the next question. For each number in group A, select the number in group B which is obtained when the number is rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10. You see the these are group A. Let's see 37. 37 is coming between 30 and 40. The last digit 7 is more than 5, so we have to go for 40. Okay. Then 48 is coming between 40 and 50. The last digit is more than 5, so we have to go for 50. Then 32 is coming between 30 and 40. So last digit is less than 5. So we have to take the we have to take the less multiple of 10. I mean the less means 30 and 40. For 30 is less than 40. So we have to take here for 30. And 45, the 5 is 5 or more than 5, we have to take the next multiple of 10. So 40 and 50, this 45 is coming between 40 and 50. Here we have to take the 50. Okay, then 55, this 55 is coming between 50 and 60. So here we have to take the 60. 36, it's coming between 30 and 40, and this 6 is more than 5, so we have to go for 40. Then 54, this is coming between 50 and 60. The last digit is 5, less than 5, so we have to take 50. And the 43, you see the 43 is coming between 40 and 40 and 50. So we have to take 40 here, because the last digit is less than 5. Okay, now I think you all are clear with this. So let's move to another question. The round of the following price to the nearest value, multiple of 10. Okay, the price of pen is 12, so 12 is coming between 10 and 20. Are we going to take 10 or 20 here? So this the last digit is less than 5, so we have to take less number, so the answer is 10. Okay, the price of apple is 38. This is coming between 30 and 40, but here the 8 is more than 5, so here we have to take 10. The answer is 40. The price of book is 83, so this is coming between 80 and 90. The last digit is 3. This is less than 5, so we are taking the 80. And cheese is 75 rupees. This is coming between 70 and 80. This is last digit is 5, so we have to take the next multiple of 10. We can't take 70, so we are moving to there. We round off this 75 to 80. When certain number is round off to nearest multiple of 10, the value is 90. So if we round off the particular number, the answer should be 90. What are those numbers? Tell me. To come 90, it should come between 80 and 90. So we can take 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. All these are coming when will be 90 when we round off. Okay, then next is 95, 91, 92, 93, 94. We can't take 95 because 95 will go to 100, will become 100. So these numbers will be 90 when we round off to the nearest multiple of 10. The next question is, number of students in the class was round off. When we round off that, the value is 40. The least number of students can be in the class and the most number of students that can be in the class. When we round off to multiple of 10, what are the numbers will be 40? It should come between 30 and 40. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. These numbers will be 40 when we round off, and other things 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, the least number should be 35. Okay, then what will be the most number, the highest number? That is 44. Understand? It's very easy subject. It's very straightforward. You can score the marks in your exam very easily. And these are some of marks obtained in the mathematics. We have to give these marks the total number of marks. Okay, we have to calculate first. We have to calculate the total number of marks. Then second one is we have to round off these marks to the nearest 10th value, and we have to take the total number of this round off value also. First we'll see the marks which they were obtained for the mathematics. The total amount is 436. Now we'll do the round off. The 77, you see the last digit is 7. This is more than 5, so it should go, it will be the 80. The 75, it will be between 70 and 80, so this is 5, so we have to go for 80. This 96 is coming between 90 and 100. This 6 is more than 5, so we have to go for 100. This 58 is more between 50 and 60. This last digit is more than 5, so we have to go to next number, that is 60. the 45 is coming between the between two. We have to take, keep it mind, multiple of 10. Okay, that is, the number is adding by 10 values, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that. So this 40 is coming between 40 and 50, the multiple of 10. We can't take 40 because the last digit, the ones value is 5, so we have to we have to take 50. The likewise, the 85 is coming between 90 and 80 and 90. This is 85, the 5, the last digit is, so we have to take 90. Then we have to take the total amount. The total amount is 460. This is the real marks, and this is round off value. Okay, the next question is, when a total number of mango that a certain trader has was rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10, the value obtained is 60. When he round off that mango's value is, the round off value is 60, so he should have the mangoes between 61, 62, 63 and 64. Otherwise 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59, these are the numbers which will be the 60 when we round off those numbers to the nearest multiple of 10. When two fruits were removed from the stocks. In this amount, we don't know what is that mango, what amount he has earlier. We assume one of these amount here. So we have to remove 2 from these numbers because that is spoiled, and the remaining number was rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10 from here. Okay, the value obtained was 50. What are the values that the total number of mangoes he initially had taken? You see, now the round off value is 50. Round off value is 50 means it should be 2 is spoiled. When we deduct 2 from here, this is 53. So 53 should be 50. Okay, then 56, when we deduct 2 from here, 56, that is 54. So 54 also, when we round off that 54, it is also will become 50. What about this 56, 58, 57 and 59? When we deduct 2 from these numbers, this is 55, this is 56, it should be 57 when we deduct 2, the spoiled mangoes. But when we round off these numbers, it cannot be 50, it will go to the next number, that is 60. These numbers also like that. So the answer should be, the two answers are when we round off these two numbers. So here these two numbers only, 55 and 56, these two numbers only, then we can get this answer. You see, the 55, when we deduct 2 from here, that is 53. 53 become 50 when we round off. This 56 also, when we deduct 2, then it will be 54. So the answer's nearest value should be 50. So answer is, what are the values, the total number of mangoes he initially had taken, that is 55 and 56. When we deduct 2 from that, the nearest value will be what? The nearest value will be 50. Okay, then you see, the value of marks that Sachini received from mathematics at term test when rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10 was 80. So to get the 80 nearest value, what are the marks he has been received? What are the marks? 75, 78, 76, 77, 8, 9. It will be 80 when we round off, and 81, 82, 83, 84, these marks also will be 80 when we round off to the nearest 10 multiple. Then Gayatri, whose actual marks is 82. The Gayatri's actual marks is 82. He scored less than Sachini, but he scores his marks is less than Sachini. What are the value that the actual marks which Sachini received can take? Okay, here this is Gayatri's marks, this is 82, but this is less than Sachini's marks, less than Sachini's marks. So when we round off, these are the round off marks of Sachini, so it should be more than 82. What are the marks more than 82? They see that is 83 and 84. Okay, when we round off this 83, it will become 80. Okay, because last digit is 3. Then when we round off this 84, the last digit is 4. So it is also will be 80. So these two marks are the more than Gayatri's real marks. The Gayatri real marks is 82. This is more than, this is less than this 83 and 84. So read the question again. The value of the marks that Sachin received to mathematics at the term test when round off to the nearest multiple of 10 is 80. That is these two marks. Okay, it will be 83 or 84. Okay, the Gayatri's actual marks is 82, but this is less than the Sachini. So 82 is less than 83 and 84. Okay, then move to the next question. Number of students in a certain class round off to the nearest multiple of 10 is 40. Okay, when 9 new students joined in this class, the number of students in the class round off to the nearest multiple of 10 was still 40. How many students were there in the class initially? Already 40. Again 9 people are joining. Even the 9 people join the class, again the round off value is 40. You see that to get the round off value of 40, there should be 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 students should be in that class. Then only we can get the nearest round off value, the nearest multiple of 10. The round off value will be 40. Okay, then when we add 9 to these numbers, you see 35 plus 9 is 44, 36 plus 9 is 45, 37 plus 9 is 46, 38 plus 9 is 47. Okay, because 9 students join in that class now. 39 plus 9 is 48. Here in these answers, which number will be 40 when we round off to the nearest multiple of 10? 44 only. Okay, 45, 46, 47, 48 will be 50. So answer should be, the answer should be the how many students were in that class initially, that is 40, 35. Okay, the 35 students were in that class. Again 9 students are joining in that class. So answer is 44. Now also there is value is 40. The earliest number is 35. That is also will be 40 when we round off to the nearest 10th value, 10 multiple. The next question is the number of story books the Muhammad has when round off to the nearest multiple of the 10 is 30. Okay, so if it is 30, he should have the books between these 30 and 20, 31, 32, 33, 34. Otherwise 25 books, 26, 27, 28 and 29. And Fatima has the 20 books. Round off, when we round off those books into the multiple of nearest 20, Fatima should have the 20 when we round off that. So he has books between 20 and these 15 numbers. You see, teen numbers. You see 21 he should have, otherwise 20 should, 23 should have. Then only we can round off to the 20. But Fatima has 3 books less than the number he has Muhammad. This is Muhammad amount. The Fatima books should be less than Muhammad. Okay, if the two of them together have the 49 books, how many books does Muhammad have? Okay, when we add these two any of these two, it should be 49. We can't, when we add these two numbers, it is more than 50, so we can't take 49 here, so we can't add these two numbers. When we add these two numbers, it is less than 49. When we add these two numbers, for example 25 plus 15, this is 30, 40, so it should be more than, it should be 49, so we cannot add these two numbers also. We cannot add, so we have to add these two sides only. What are the numbers when we add? We can get 49, that is 26 and 29. When we add these two numbers, 26 and 23, 49 we can get. And also you can see the Muhammad books is number 26. This is less, this is more than Fatima's has, more than 3. You see they have mentioned 3 books. Fatima has 3 books less than Muhammad has. Here this is Fatima's books 23, that is less than Muhammad books, amount of books 26. When we add together, total amount is 49. So answer is 26 and 23. Okay, we can add this side also. When we add this side, this is also more less than 49. So this should be, the two numbers should be from this group and this group. That is answer is 26 and 23. 26 plus 23 is 49. Now you can understand the lesson. Okay, my dear students, now we finish the unit 6, rounding off and estimation. We will meet again with another session. Until then, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts, please leave in the comments box. And also, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe our channel to get the notification. To watch this video in Tamil, please click the link and go to our FB page to get the worksheets and exam papers, term papers and some other model papers also. Until that, thank you for watching this video.